your seasonal occupation. It's time to send in your application. Get to know your short-term friends.
Hi guys! Welcome back sa ako ang channel. Kumusta naman mo din nga siya? Kanang blooming di ka karon. Before anything else, follow me on my Instagram account. Follow. Today, pina-vlog style na siya. Bale, nagpa-extend lang mi og kusina na and mga nabas mi og mga furniture later. Mag-video ko sa mga price, pila na ba mga furniture karon nga pandemic, and yeah, join me or follow.
Your seasonal occupation. It's time to send in your application. Get to know your short-term friends. You only talk to till summer ends. The best way to spend your day in it when you're only making $10 every 60 minutes. Let's clock out, you and me. Wander around West County. Take my hand, shop and see. Only get paid hourly. We can carpool, I can drive. Listening to Jackson 5. We can make it, we'll survive. Though we might be sleep deprived. Employee discounts will be our fall. When we make our money and spend it all. Since we're working retail at the mall. Pick your seasonal occupation. It's time to send in your application. Get to know your short-term friends. You only talk to till summer ends. The best way to spend your day in it when you're only making $10 every 60 minutes. Let's clock out, you and me. Wander around West County. Take my hand, shop and see. Only get paid hourly. We can carpool, I can drive. Listening to Jackson 5. We can make it, we'll survive. Though we might be sleep deprived. Employee discounts will be our fall. When we make our money and spend it all. Since we're working retail at the mall.
extend may kusina. Mao ni ang kusina currently and among gipa-extend dito. Duwi na dito ng pangarap as a family nga magkaroon ng mga anak ng mga sala set, mga sofa, ni ana good and mga dining table nga dako-dako po kay ang among lamisa karon kay yan ano lang siya kanang 4 seaters. So mo pangarap kay sa akong parents o among family na magkaroon o ganang arang-arang po nga now ng mga bangko o mga lamesa ani mo na yung bangko. And we're just so blessed nowadays. I'm really thankful kay Lord, but I'm thankful still kay safe ang family, ang relatives, and I'm just also praying for those who are affected by this pandemic. But nevertheless, I'm so happy kay na matupad jud ni mama ang iyang pinaka gusto gyud nga magpa-extend og balay. And mo to among CR dito wala pa nanahuman, and lababo and dining room perhaps. Comment mo kung interested mo nga magbuhat ako series o ganang update sa among pagpa-renovate, or bet ba ninyo magbuhat ko ganang detailed legaso sa pa-extend, sa pagpabuhat, legaso sa labor and everything else. Kato comment lang mo, or bet ninyo diretso na lang ta sa kitchen makeover kay ako dun ang i-makeover for sure ang kitchen na madara. So mo lang to. Thank you so much guys for the support. Thank you so much sa mga nagsuporta din nga side. And nakaabot ang tag 3K. Thank you so thank you so much. Please ingat mo tanan. Subscribe if you want to.